Good morning. I'm going to explore here one feature like I have just made for me, and maybe it will be useful for you also. If you go here in this section resources on site bithost.in, here I have added one new section like GitHub top. So in this section you will get top repos, awesome repos from the GitHub, which from where you can check out the different things and different repos which which you can use in your next project. So actually I was surfing a lot of webs and to find a beautiful and organized solution need to I was suffering from visiting different sites many times. So what I did, I just written one API. Let me show you. Yeah, I written one API in Node.js to get it. You can see here like this is one for public this is one for public API for the previous section you saw, and this is for the GitHub top repo search. This is running a query. I'm sending a query and sending a user agent at Node.js. Now coming back to my point, my program, like I have written here a query string get away some hyphen and concatenate the string and search in name. There is an algorithm like search in name, sort on order, sort on stars, and order description. So now I can have the list of the awesome. The better part is like I am not paying anything for this API what I have written. What I have written here, I am not paying anything and it's running. It's giving me the result between my application and the GitHub. The mediator is API. So how actually it's working, let me show you. Actually my app is not calling the GitHub API directly. It's like going to network and going to refresh the page. So what I see here, it's asking for one API call, scrap GitHub. Scrap GitHub is the middleware between my app and GitHub. So scrap GitHub, this URL is being called, and this URL is I am sending query as this awesome. Nothing I have sent, just it's returning me the data. This API is hosted on Heroku, which is free for the experiments and all. So I am using it. Like you can see here, I am using this. I can see the logs also. Yep, let me show you. Heroku logs minus tail. So what it will return me, like the log, whatever the request will be generated, so it will return me the log. You can see here scrap GitHub and the host is this, and it started from starting to up, the system is running. So let me show you how I'm getting the data, what is returning me. Just I will refresh again, or I will just switch like to PHP. I want some PHP, repo. So here it will reflect the log. I can see here, see it's asked for this, and yeah, it returned me data like within 3 microseconds. So my results are here. So I will go to the news section. Like suppose I switch to dev news, and I can see here it will scrap a different, yeah, it scrap a different API, different method like get news, and here's the data. So I do not need to write all things. So what I written the logics to get the list in my front end. I just use 2-3 lines of backend. You can see only 2-3 lines of backend is doing my job, and yeah, it's pretty cool, it's showing pretty cool, it's arranged in right way. Going to free APIs, like it shows me the associated API. Here I have written the if it's having cross, it's true. This what's this API means. These all are public available APIs which are free. This is for news. Here I have mentioned too many sections like anti-malware. You can get the free APIs, whoever whatever the public API is available. For cloud storage and file sharing, yeah, it's loaded. So these are the available APIs which are free. For cryptocurrency, these are the public APIs available. And for environment, yeah, you can explore it, and you can explore the dev news, cyber news at your own place. These news are taken from the top of the providers, like, and yeah, you can see, and the sources, it shows the sources, and better it's give a organized place to see all the things at one place. Like if I want like dev news, means maybe developer news, like related to programming, related to PHP only, related to Python only, related to TypeScript, yeah, related to any, I have given the list. I will increase this list frequently to get more about the news and all. Here one business section is there. You can explore from the news of business, top businesses, like what's going inside world. So now these two sections are added as new section. One section earlier it was having a blog section, which where you can take a look at my blogs. Few I have written, and few one of my colleague have written here. So you can have a look on blogs, and if you have any suggestions, you can write me. The comment section is also there. Just click on login. I will be asked for login, and yeah, let me sign in. Yeah, you will be just you need to log in with Google, so there's no anything, and it's just reflect you to write down the comment. You can write me the comment or your suggestion, so that I can improve my writing, and I can give you the better content in future. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Follow on Facebook and subscribe channel on YouTube. Thank you. Bye bye.